my name is Jen. If this is your first time to my channel, I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos. I try to stay on the more affordable end of styling services and shopping hauls. So if you're into looking at more affordable clothing, then please subscribe below. If you are returning viewers, thank you guys so much for your comments, your support, your likes, your thumbs up. I greatly appreciate that. So thank you guys so much for coming back. Okay, so today, new subscription. Yay! Things that Jen loves. New subscriptions, outfits in a box, and a good deal, a bargain. I love a bargain. So this one is a little bit of all three, though we'll see if it's worth it. It is actually a workout clothing styling service. I don't know that I'd even call it a styling service. So to start out with how I found this. So I have started working out in 2019 with my husband 3 times a week. We're going to the gym together. And I got discouraged trying to find affordable workout clothing. I did get a couple pieces at Walmart that I've liked, but I've also looked other places. And my biggest thing is I struggled to pay, you know, $30 for a workout pant and $20 for, or $30 for a sports bra, or sometimes, I don't know, I was at Kohl's and it was all like $40 each, and it's like for one workout outfit, you were looking at, you know, 80 to 100 bucks, and it just, so I was struggling to find good, affordable workout clothing. Now, if you guys have recommendations, please let me know. That would be greatly appreciated. But I did some hunting, and I think I was at Crate Joy, and that's where I was doing some hunting, and I found Ellie. Now, Ellie is, I believe it is $45 a month, including shipping, and what you get is an entire workout outfit. Now, it is not customized to you. Essentially, they have several collections that early on in the month, they notify you that that month's collections are available, and then you choose which collection you want. Now, if you don't go in and choose, it essentially uses the same collection name as last time. So you don't actually have to go in and select something. It will automatically send you that outfit, but if you do want to go in, you can switch collections to get a different outfit. So, great deal to get an entire workout outfit for $45, so I love that. This is actually my second box because the first one I didn't have time to film and I wanted to use the outfit to work out in. So now we're to the second box. Couple of things is they do give you a lot of information about the outfit on their website, which is great. It also tells you whether it is kind of high impact or low impact. You know, is this an outfit just for lounging around the house, athleisure, or is this for like doing some really heavy gym workouts? So I appreciate that. Now I am going to show you guys the first outfit that I got, do a little in the try on, so I'll show you guys this outfit plus the first one. Oh, one more thing. In my first box, they also sent me a welcome gift. I'm assuming all customers get this. And it is a beautiful Ellie water bottle. So there you go. And BPA free, double wall stainless steel, and keeps your drink warm for 12 hours or cold for 24 hours. So very cool water bottle as a free gift. So thank you to Ellie. And my husband and I have been talking that we need to start bringing a water bottle with us because we just use a drinking fountain all the time. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this month's bag. And I'm sorry the introduction was so long, but you know, new side service, people need to know about it. Okay, so like I said, the second one came here in this bag. Easy to peel open this bag, and all their items come individually packaged, which I appreciate. So they do send you kind of this, some paperwork here in here, and you know, an invoice, even though there's not any dollar amounts on it, but an invoice to say, here's what all is in this box. And then they've got a book. They have like almost a little magazine that comes in it. So that is cool. All right, so let's get into the outfit, the good part. I've done enough talking. So let's start at the bottom. And I can tell you right now, these look like much thicker, more quality leggings. Okay, I'm gonna be happy with these. Okay, so this is like a very bluish tealish outfit, It is a capri legging. It has the mesh here, and importantly, the pockets, because I do use my pockets quite a bit. It is high-waisted, and the brand is Marika. I think that was the last brand that I used was Marika as well. I got this in a size small just because it fits my larger rump a little bit better. And then we do have this matching sports bra. So here we go, and kind of mesh here in the back. Now, I am not a kind of person who works out in just a sports bra and pants, so I always wear a shirt over it. So really cute sports bra. No one but my husband will see it, but I'm really happy with the last sports bra I got in my last box, so no complaints there. And then the last piece here is this mint colored tank. And it's just, you know, a nice, very lightweight tank. Again, has some meshing here on the back, but I get very sweaty while working out, so I appreciate the lightweightness of it. This is by Balance Collection. So there we go. That's my outfit. I'm really happy. I think these leggings are going to be much more thick than the other pair that I have, so I greatly appreciate that, but we'll get it on just to be sure. All right, let's do this. Okay, so first off, outfit number one. I'm ready to go to the gym, guys. I've worn both of these outfits now working out, so I guess I can give you the review from that standpoint. So first of all, they have pockets in the side, which I always really like, and then kind of mesh here, which is a cute detail. These are kind of more of a crop length, which is cute. I like having kind of a variety of lengths here. We have the mint top here, which is just a cute top. And you can see some of the mesh in the back. And then the sports bra is a really nice sports bra. My only issue is it's just the pads in here get bunched up like when I put it on. Not while I'm working out, but just when I put it on. So I just have to readjust the pads a little bit. But overall, I really like this outfit. I think it's cute. I am going to show you guys from the back so you can kind of see what the rear view is. Just because that is important to us girls to know, you know, how much does it show? Does it show our cottage cheese? You know, that's important stuff. So, giving you guys the back view so you can see that. Here's a little bit of a squat. Okay, enough of that. Okay, really happy with this outfit. I think it's cute and it worked out well, and let's get to the next outfit. Workout outfit numero dos. So, this one you guys didn't get to see me do the unboxing for, but I have worked out in this outfit several times. Although usually, you know, these tanks are cute and lightweight, but I'm kind of more of a t-shirt workout type of person anyways. Let's start with the pants. The pants are a great length, just all the way down to the ankle, but not too long. It's got laser cut hole detail here in the thigh, and then again here at the calf, so I think that's very cute. No pockets, so I do wish it had pockets, but you can see all these details online before you select an outfit, whether it has pockets or not. Again, whether it is, you know, for light working out or lounging or heavy working out, you know, so it gives all those details. I don't honestly remember, you know, what level of activity this was for. So the downside, I do feel like the back here does show a little bit more than I want it to. Maybe, I guess I'd say these are slightly thinner than I would like. Now, I've read the reviews on this outfit and the last one, and maybe 1 out of 50 reviews maybe said it was too thin. So it might just be my paranoia or that I'm a little bit too self-conscious, but I felt like maybe it showed like a little bit too much rippling here. I'm flexing, so maybe you guys can see that. I don't know. Again, squat test. But I don't know. I really like it. So the tank, again, cute, lightweight. I'll probably just wear this as a regular tank sometime. Probably won't ever work out in it. And the sports bra, I love this sports bra. This is my go-to sports bra now. The cups stay in place. Just fits really well. It feels good. So, all right, let's do a recap. Okay, guys, just to recap and discuss the plan. I don't know how much I actually explained this subscription at the beginning of this video, so I'm going to do a little bit better job, I think, of that, hopefully. All right, so they have 2 subscription plans. They have the 3-item plan and they have the 5-item plan. So the 3-item plan, you get a bottom, sports bra, and a top. And the 5-item is you get those 3 items plus 2 accessories, and they're like workout accessories, like, you know, exercise gloves or some sort of ball or stretchy thing or things like that. So the 3-item plan is $39.95 and it has free shipping, though it does seem like there's tax on top of that because I think I'm being charged like $42.75. So, and then the 5-item plan is $49.95. So hopefully that's somewhat clear. Like I said, you get an email at the beginning of the month that says, hey, all the collections are ready. You can go see all the outfits, and you then can either stick with the same collection as you had last month, or you can switch to a new collection. One thing I will warn people on it, because I didn't properly warn people with my short story, is this one, while it does not take long to ship, after a few days after they've made the collection available, then they charge your credit card and ship your outfit to you. I don't remember what service they used to ship my outfit to me, but it took a very long time to get here, so just be warned. I love USPS because it's like that always takes a couple of days. This actually takes a little bit longer than that. They do have return policy as far as I think you can return an entire outfit or you can exchange sizes. So I did see on that on their frequently asked questions on their website. And I think, okay, so just to recap on the 2 outfits. The first one I got, I had the full-length leggings and the sports bra. These are both Marika brand, and this is Balance Collection. This is like the light exercise top on top. I really like this. I wish the pants had pockets, and I feel like it's slightly too thin, but I like it, and I'm still wearing it while working out. And then my second item, again, it's the Marika brand, and I love these are a little bit thicker, so I like that. And then they've got the pockets, which make me really happy. This sports bra I don't like as much as the first one, just because the pads don't stay in place as well, and the band maybe rolls a little bit, where this one is just it's just perfect. So, and then this is Balance Collection again. So I think it's a great deal for $40 to get these full workout outfits, considering one of these by themselves seems to cost like 30 bucks. So it seems like a great deal to me. I'd love to hear your guys' opinions. I do have a referral link, which I believe gets you $10 off. If not, I will post some sort of correction here as I continue to do my research. I'm going to continue to get this box at least until I get a few more workout outfits, so I'm not wearing the same thing to the gym every day. Well, I go 3 times a week, but originally I was wearing like the same pants each time because I just didn't have anything else and I would just wash them. So now I've got a few extra items, so I will continue to get this box for at least another couple of months, but I'd love to hear what you guys think about it, if you think it's a good deal or a total ripoff. Okay, well, hopefully you guys like this video. You guys know I love trying out new boxes and sharing them with all of you guys, so please give this a thumbs up if you like the video, and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. All right, we'll see you in the next video. All right, bye. Each time because I just didn't have anything else and I would just wash them. So now I've got a few extra items, so I will continue to get this box for at least another couple of months, but I'd love to hear what you guys think about it, if you think it's a good deal or a total ripoff. Okay, well, hopefully you guys like this video. You guys know I love trying out new boxes and sharing them with all of you guys, so please give this a thumbs up if you like the video, and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. All right, we'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.